Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Schneider's Golf. My name's Eric Schneider, and we're here again in the hot, sweaty, sweltering shop this evening, and we're going to begin a new putter build. Now I'm joined by the one and only Goldyeller.
Oh hey, you found me. How are you?
So, I have Goldyeller here with me, and this putter build was kind of Goldyeller's idea.
No, it wasn't. It was your idea.
It was kind of our idea.
It was your idea.
Okay, it was
And
mine.
I said that's a great idea.
Anyways, we're going to be making a Lego compatible putter because Goldyeller is obviously the Lego master and I'm a putter amateur. So we're going to take our two skill sets, combine them together, and we're going to make a Lego putter that you can create any kind of putter configuration you want out of Legos. So front side Legos, backside Legos, you could have a Lego face, you could have a Lego flange, you could have a spider style, you could have a blade style. Goldyeller's working on a couple of things on his end. I'm bringing a few things to the table, and we're gonna make this putter happen. So let's get started. There's actually a kind of a thick plot that's developing tonight. It might not be about golf club stuff. There's a full-fledged fight going on. All right, well, Goldyeller just had a talk with these two, and they resolved their differences. There's no more fighting going on in the shop, so we can continue our work. We're about to start cutting this block of stainless. I'm gonna throw a 1/4" end mill in here, begin roughing the top out. This is a pretty simple shape. The only thing that's super complex about it is the little nubs or the studs for the top of the Lego. So those are gonna take some time to do. We have to take a 1/16 inch end mill and clear out the area between the studs. An 1/8 inch end mill is not quite small enough, so we're gonna have to go, a little bit smaller, clear out the studs, and that will make the Lego pattern on the top of the putter. So, well, this will be the back of the putter, but top as it's milled in the vise right here. We still have to go to Walmart. It's midnight.
So is this video sponsored by Walmart?
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this video is sponsored by Walmart and the Waltons from Walstoria. Where are they from?
It's not sponsored by Walmart.
So we are on the hunt for the themed Legos, or Legos in general. It's just something that we can make cool putters out of. Do you get tired anymore? You don't really sleep that much, do you?
Yes. I know.
Here they are. Where? He can smell them. He literally smelt his way to the Legos. I'm thinking this is my putter right here. I'm delirious because it's super late at night, but think how cool a putter with the cannon on it would be. Oh man, I don't know. This is more than I've ever paid for a putter in my life. I'm doing this for you people.
That's littering. I'll get that.
Now we are finishing up the second putter head. It's a little bit smaller and a little bit shorter. What it looks like. And then we're gonna begin building different configurations of putters. So Goldyeller's working on the grip for his putter right now. I got that Overwatch Lego kit. I'm gonna start building on my Lego head, and we'll see where this ends up. So, pretty excited. It's gonna be cool. We're just milling the hole for the hosels to go down into. We'll slide the hosels down inside the holes. We'll weld them on, and then we're gonna start making the Lego patterns on the back. Goldyeller wanted his name on his putter, so take a look at how it turned out. That looks pretty good. What do you think?
Yes.
Oh man, Goldyeller, show me the sides. Woo! He has a Lego Super Stroke. What's your theme gonna be?
Might do like a little Utah Jazz, the city kind of theme, because we're in Utah and we're making putters.
Are you filming?
I'm filming you filming.
Utah Jazz themed Lego Goldyeller signature with his name on the bottom. Let's see you roll a few with this thing. Oh my gosh. I opted for the blocky 8-bit text. Throw the hosel in this thing and then throw some Legos on it. How do I open this? I don't know if my hands are strong enough to rip this open. So I'm just gonna slice these little tabs here. We're gonna do it nice and reverently.
I'm gonna put my arms.
Manual, won't be needing this. These smooth army green tiles are like 90% of the reason I bought this kit. And this came with a machine gun. That was the other 90%.
So 180%?
Yeah. This putter's gonna have a machine gun on it. Quite possibly the only putter ever to have a machine gun on it. I think we'll start with the face, build that, and then we'll go on to the back of the putter. So, step 77.
Maybe you did need those after all.
We have the face, we have a Gatling gun, we have a pressure sensitive laser here on the bottom. When you set it on the ground, it lights up. This is the back, so we've got a little bit of a mallet style putter here. We also have the Lego grip, fashioned by Yellers Truly.
Yeah. It would have been funny if you would have smacked your head on that.
Set it on the ground, she lights up, you line up the cannon with the hole, and then you pull the trigger.
Oh! First try.
It's a banger. Yeah.
Laser sight is locked and loaded.
Hey, just made that putt. I picked up these golf balls, I'm done. All right, that is a wrap. We have the Overwatch themed putter with a cannon and a laser sight. Goldyeller has his Utah Jazz themed putter. Both made out of Legos. That is probably one of the coolest putter builds that I've ever done. Went really seamless. Things pretty much went according to plan. So, thanks for being here. Hope you're having a great day. Lego play some golf. We'll see you next time. Lego my ego.